If you're at all interested in grabbing a set of Coleys, links are in the description. The pre-order is only going to run through October, so if you want them, go get them. And here's how they sound on a Bakeneko 65. So, what did you guys think of the Switch? I think they have a fantastic creamy pop to them, and I think that has to do with the stem being long pole and the bottom housing being PBT. That collision is just incredibly poppy. They also have a fantastic two-stage spring, which I am in love with. It makes pressing the key switch super fun, and the return is just incredibly snappy. The best way to get this Switch is going to be to pre-order them in the description below, and if you made it this far, use code Coley. It's going to take the Switch price down to 55 cents a Switch, which is a substantial discount. Pre-ordering is going to be the best way to get these Switches because I cannot guarantee that there's going to be a round 2 just because all of that depends on the hype and the demand of the Switch. So get them while you can. Thank you guys for all of the support. I seriously could not have done it without you guys. And also thank you to Keepfront for collaborating with me on this Switch. And of course, don't be a stranger.